In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot the issue of Slack not loading messages effectively. If you're experiencing this common problem, don't worry, we've got a few steps to help guide you through it and hopefully get your Slack up and running smoothly. First, we're going to start by heading over to your Slack dashboard. This is the main hub where you can access all your channels and conversations. It's the place you need to be when we begin troubleshooting. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 dots there, which is essentially a menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. It will open up a drop-down menu that gives you several options. Now, once that menu pops up, you need to look for the option that says Edit Notifications. It can be easy to miss, so take your time to locate it and then give it a click. This option is crucial as it leads to settings that can affect how messages are loaded and displayed. Sometimes, tweaking notification settings can resolve loading issues because Slack might not display messages properly if it isn't set to receive new post alerts. After clicking on Edit Notifications, you'll enter a settings area where you can adjust various notification preferences. Make sure you're thorough and take a moment to review these settings. It's here that you can select which notifications you want to receive. To address our specific concern, messages not loading, you should navigate towards the option labeled All New Posts. Clicking on this ensures that you will receive notifications for every new message, which can help in keeping your Slack updated in real time. By doing this, you're ensuring that Slack is set up to notify you about all channel activities, which sometimes resolves discrepancies in message viewing. Slack needs to actively retrieve new messages to display them, and this setting helps facilitate that. Just to review quickly, we've gone through the process of accessing the Slack dashboard, using the menu on the top right to access notification settings, and selecting the option for all new posts. Following these steps can often resolve the issue of messages not appearing due to misconfigured notifications. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If your Slack still doesn't load messages, consider checking your internet connection or restarting the app as additional troubleshooting steps. Sometimes, a simple refresh can be a quick fix. Thank you for following along, and I hope these instructions have brought you closer to resolving your Slack message issues. Be sure to share this video with anyone else who might find it useful.